Hello and welcome to E-Prime this evening. News have been circulating of reggae artist Jacure reportedly being arrested and charged in Amsterdam, Netherlands for assault and wounding. Now, E-Prime tried to reach Jacure's label and team for a comment which proved futile. However, sources close to Jacure told E-Prime earlier today that they are unable to confirm the incident as the situation is fluid at the moment and has been referred to the artist's legal team. News broke online that Jacure allegedly stabbed a promoter in Amsterdam over the weekend and that the promoter was hospitalized and treated. However, there was no information on what caused the dispute or if the artist is still in custody. Jacure is currently in Amsterdam as part of a 3-month European tour which began in August. Now, during the tour, he has appeared in Barcelona, Spain and Belgium. Reggae artist Lila Ike and Shensia are to be featured on Grammy and Oscar-winning R&B singer Her's upcoming reggae project. Lila revealed her collaboration during an episode of UK's Deadly Links, where she shared details on being in the studio with her.
They actually reached out because she's working on a project and she wanted me to help with it. So I was like, this is crazy. And just getting the opportunity to watch her work, it's definitely one of the greatest things I've experienced in my career.
Her has also named dancehall artist Shensia, while adding that the album's guest list would remain a surprise. Last month, Her revealed that she would be bringing roots reggae, dancehall and R&B feel to her next project. Her released her debut full-length project, Back of My Mind, in June. The project has been certified gold by the Recording Industry Association of America. Now, still on Lila Ike, the Indignation Collective and RCA Records artist announced that she will be working on her debut album when she gets back to Jamaica. The artist is excited and confident with what she and her team have in store. The project will follow her 2020 debut EP, The Experience. Streaming service Netflix hit series Squid Game is on its way to beating Regency-era romance Bridgerton to become the streaming platform's biggest original series of all time.
6개의 게임을 모두 이긴 분들께는 저에게 상금이 지급됩니다.
The South Korean fictional drama is a brutal survival game in which contestants who are deeply in debt play children's games in order to win cash. Plenty cash. I'm Daedra reporting for E-Prime.